Starting from September 16th until December 10th, 2023, I began my journey to learn how to develop website using the front-end development. In this video, I will detail exactly how I learned front-end development. If you are interested in backend roadmap for a upcoming video, let me know in the comment section. Welcome to our channel. Let's understand what roadmap helped me to become a web developer in just 3 months. Whether you are just starting out or want to take your skills to the next level, let's jump right in. Today I'm going to share with you front-end roadmap, simple ways to kickstart your journey into web development. First off, let's understand what front-end and back-end development mean. Front-end is like designing, whether what people see on a website, while back-end is more about making things work behind the scene. This is where you will learn how to make website work behind the scene. You will use tools like Node.js and database to store and manage data. Now let's focus on front end. It's all about using HTML, CSS and JavaScript to create what people see and use on website. I started by learning the basics and then moved on to some more advanced stuff. CSS can sometimes be quite tricky to work with, but there is a cool tool, Tailwind CSS, that makes it a lot easier. It helps you write CSS faster and more efficient, so you can spend less time styling and more time building awesome websites. It's like having shortcuts to make your website look cool without typing too much. Also, it will save your time. After completing the basics, I moved on to the learning React. Ever heard of React? So React is a JavaScript library to allow you to build a reusable UI complex, making it easier to manage and maintain your code. It also provides a virtual DOM for efficient rendering, resulting in faster performance. So after learning all this stuff, you need to practice. The key to mastering web development is practice. Work on coding projects, participate in coding challenges, and on website to apply what you have learned. Whether it's personal portfolio, a blog, a weather app, or to-do list, pick a project that aligns with your interest and learning goal. Remember, becoming a web developer is a journey, not a sprint. It's okay to take your time and learn at your own pace. The most important thing is to keep practicing and never give up. Stay updated with industry news, follow influential developers on social media, and continuously learn new skills. Learning to code is a journey that requires dedication, persistence, and willingness to learn. So roll up your sleeves and start coding on your exciting web development journey today. Thanks for watching this video. The journey to becoming web developer. Keep coding, keep learning, and don't forget to have fun along the way. See you next time.